Dr. Suarchila, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. What is psoriasis? And let's try to understand the impact of psoriasis on fertility. Psoriasis is a chronic immune-mediated skin condition characterized by the rapid growth of skin cells leading to the formation of thick, red, scaly patches. It can occur on any part of the body but commonly affects the elbows, knees, scalp and lower back. The exact cause of psoriasis is not entirely understood, but it is believed to involve a combination of genetic predisposition, that is, you're already predisposed, your genes have the tendency to cause this, and some environmental factors as well. So what are the types of psoriasis? Let's begin with plaque psoriasis. It's the most common form and it is characterized by raised red patches covered with a silvery white buildup of dead skin cells. Then there is guttate psoriasis, small dot-like lesions often starting in childhood or young adulthood. Then inverse psoriasis, red shiny lesions that appear in skin folds. Pustular psoriasis, white pustules surrounded by red skin. Erythrodermic psoriasis, a severe inflammatory form that can affect most of the body surface, is this kind of psoriasis. So what are the symptoms? Red patches of skin covered with thick silvery scales is usually the symptoms. Dry, cracked skin that may bleed, itching, burning, soreness, thickened or rigid nails, swollen and stiff joints, which is also called as psoriatic arthritis. So in particular, let's look at the impact of psoriasis on fertility. While psoriasis itself is not directly linked to infertility, the condition and its associated factors can influence reproductive health in a lot of ways. In women, it can cause psychological stress. Chronic stress and psychological burden associated with psoriasis can affect menstrual cycles and ovulation. Stress can lead to hormonal imbalances that impact fertility. Psoriasis is an inflammation condition and chronic inflammation can affect reproductive organs and function. Inflammatory markers associated with psoriasis may interfere with ovulation and implantation. Severe joint pain and physical limitations can reduce sexual activity, indirectly affecting fertility. Some treatments for psoriasis, such as methotrexate and certain biologics, can be teratogenic, that is harmful to developing fetus, and these may require discontinuation before trying to conceive. So women may need to plan pregnancy carefully in consultation with their clinicians to adjust medications accordingly. Then psoriasis is often associated with metabolic syndrome, obesity and other comorbid conditions that can affect fertility. Managing these conditions is very crucial for improving reproductive outcomes. In men, stress and anxiety associated with psoriasis can affect sexual health and libido, impacting fertility. Depression, low self-esteem can lead to decreased sexual activity. Chronic inflammation in psoriasis can affect sperm quality and reproductive functions. Increased levels of inflammatory cytokines may impact spermatogenesis. Not only this, physical discomfort and joint pains can reduce sexual activity, indirectly impacting fertility. Similar to women, some medications used to treat psoriasis can affect fertility and may need to be adjusted when planning to conceive. Consulting a physician or a fertility specialist to manage medication is very critical for men and women that are wanting to get pregnant. Reducing stress, maintaining proper mental health, a healthy lifestyle, maintain a balanced diet, exercise regularly, and the weight should also be maintained. Managing comorbid conditions like obesity, diabetes, hypertension is also very important for reproductive health. So regular follow-ups with the dermatologist and clinicians in fertility can help monitor psoriasis and fertility. So this close monitoring can help in making timely adjustments so that you can plan pregnancy better. If you wish to know more about this, please feel free to contact us. Thank you. A lot of effort has gone into making this video. Please like and subscribe us. Thank you.